Imagine surviving because the organ keeping you alive did not come from another human, but from a pig. This may sound like science fiction, but doctors have already transplanted genetically modified pig organs into living human patients. The reason scientists are exploring this is simple. There are still far more patients than available human donor organs. In the United States alone, more than 100,000 people are waiting for transplants, and most need kidneys. So researchers asked a radical question. Could specially engineered animals become a reliable new source of replacement organs for humans? That process is called xenotransplantation, meaning living cells, tissues, or organs are transplanted from one species into another. Pigs are especially promising because several of their organs are similar to human organs in both size and function. But a normal pig organ cannot simply be transplanted because the human immune system would recognize it as foreign. Your immune system is designed to attack unfamiliar tissue, so an animal organ can trigger extremely fast and severe rejection. To reduce that danger, scientists genetically edit donor pigs before birth, changing their DNA to improve human compatibility. Some pig genes are switched off because they create molecules that can immediately trigger a powerful human immune response. Researchers can also add selected human genes to help control inflammation, blood clotting, and other compatibility problems. Some experimental donor pigs contain dozens of carefully planned genetic modifications designed to make their organs safer for humans. After extensive testing, surgeons can transplant the engineered kidney using many of the same connections used in standard transplants. When blood flow is restored, some experimental pig kidneys have started producing urine, showing that the organ can function. In 2024, surgeons achieved a major milestone by transplanting a genetically edited pig kidney into a living human patient. More patients later received experimental pig kidneys, giving researchers valuable information about how these organs perform over time. One patient lived without dialysis for nearly 9 months while relying on a genetically engineered pig kidney for filtration. After that pig kidney was removed, the same patient later received a traditional kidney from a human donor. These breakthroughs are important, but pig organs are still experimental and are not ready to replace normal human donation. Even with extensive gene editing, the human immune system can eventually recognize the transplanted organ and begin attacking it. Recipients also need strong immune-suppressing medicines, which can reduce rejection, but may leave them more vulnerable to infections. Researchers must also carefully screen donor animals and recipients to reduce the risk of infections crossing between species. Kidneys are only one target because scientists are also studying pig hearts, livers, lungs, and other possible organs. Doctors have already transplanted genetically modified pig hearts into living patients, providing important lessons about what still needs improvement. The field is now moving beyond isolated experimental cases and into formal clinical trials designed to test safety systematically. Researchers are also beginning tightly controlled pig heart studies in humans, although participant numbers remain very small at first. If these trials succeed, hospitals could eventually gain an entirely new source of organs for patients who cannot wait. For now, human organ donation remains essential, while scientists continue testing whether pig organs can become safe and reliable. So, here is the big question. Would you accept a genetically modified pig organ if it could save your life?